Everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a new unit we just got in stock about an hour ago. This is a 2018 Haulmark 7x16 plus a 2-foot V, so you've got 7x18 total length here from the tip of the V to the back. It's a Haulmark passport. Does come with our exclusive Colorado Trailers pack in it, which includes some goodies that most of the standard Haulmarks do not include. This one also has the Armortech technology. Armortech is a product that they dip the frames in to help prevent corrosion and rusting, so it's a great product that Haulmark and Wells Cargo are both using. You also have your diamond plate rock art along the bottom there, so good rock protection. Side door comes with the RV lock and a cam bar, which is part of our Colorado pack. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes on all four wheels. You also have radial tires with this unit, as well as a polished aluminum fender. 16-inch on center walls as well. Side vents, stabilizer jacks underneath, which is also part of our Colorado pack. Rear ramp door comes with a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close the rear ramp door. You also have LED exterior lights. Another awesome feature with this trailer, you have a 7-foot interior height, so it's going to work great for most UTVs, as well as full Drymax walls and floor. Now Drymax is a product, it's an engineered product that does not absorb any water, so you guys don't have to worry about pulling in a razor or a UTV or an ATV or KTMs or dirt bikes or whatever you guys are playing with, having that water sit on the floor and then having it warp like you would get with a traditional wood floor. This does not, again, absorb any water in the walls or the floor. So really awesome product there. You also have 4 D-rings, which is part of our Colorado pack, 2 at the rear, 2 more up front. Again, side vents, you've got 1 here, 1 up in the front corner, so you guys will get a natural cross ventilation through the trailer, which is nice if you're hauling anything with gas. You also have a 1-piece aluminum roof, as well as an overhead light. And then coming into the trailer, again, there's 2 more of your D-rings. Backside of the RV lock does have a lock, a latch, and a set of keys with it. You have a nice little diamond plate kick plate right there on the side door as well. And here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, we would love to earn your business as always. You can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.